In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to issue a credit note and allocate it to a sales invoice in Zoho Books. If you run a business and occasionally need to refund customers, adjust an invoice, or account for returned products, credit notes are an essential part of your accounting workflow. The good news is that Zoho Books makes this process simple once you know where to click and how the flow works. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through how to create a credit note first, and then how to apply or allocate that credit note to an existing sales invoice. By the end of this video, you'll be able to properly record customer credits and keep your books accurate. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Zoho Books tutorials and accounting software guides. All right, let's get started. The first step is creating the credit note inside Zoho Books. Start by logging into your Zoho Books account and looking at the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. In that sidebar, click on Sales. This section contains everything related to customer transactions, such as invoices, payments, and credit notes. Once you click Sales, look for the option called Credit Notes and click on it. This will open the Credit Notes section where you can see all previously created credit notes for your customers. To create a new one, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the button labeled New or Plus New. Zoho Books will now open the credit note creation form. The first thing you need to select is the customer name. Choose the customer who is receiving the credit or returning items. This is important because the credit note will later be allocated to invoices that belong to this specific customer. After selecting the customer, move down to the Item Detail section. Here you can add the product or service that is being credited. Simply choose the item from your item list and then enter the quantity or the amount that should be credited back to the customer. For example, if a customer returned 2 items or if you need to reduce an invoice amount due to an adjustment, you can enter that information here. Make sure the amounts and tax settings match your accounting needs so your financial records remain accurate. Once you've added the correct item details and verified the credit amount, go ahead and click the button that says Save as Open. Saving the credit note as open means the credit is now available and can be applied to one or more outstanding invoices for that customer. Now that the credit note has been created, the next step is allocating it to a sales invoice. To do this, open the credit note you just created from the credit notes list. When the credit note opens, look toward the top right area of the page and find the button labeled Apply to Invoice. Click on that button. Zoho Books will now show you a list of outstanding invoices for the same customer. This is where you choose which invoice should receive the credit. Next to each invoice, you'll see a field labeled Amount to Apply. In this field, simply enter the amount of the credit note that you want to apply to that specific invoice. You can apply the full credit amount or just part of it, depending on your situation. For example, if the credit note is larger than the invoice amount, you might apply only a portion and leave the remaining credit available for future invoices. Once you've entered the amount you want to apply to the appropriate invoice, review the details to make sure everything looks correct. Then click Save. Zoho Books will immediately apply the credit note to that invoice and adjust the outstanding balance accordingly. This helps keep your customer accounts accurate and ensures your reports reflect the correct amounts owed. And that's it. You've successfully created a credit note and allocated it to a sales invoice in Zoho Books. This is a really useful feature whenever you need to handle refunds, product returns, pricing adjustments, or customer credits without manually editing existing invoices. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.